What is up, kids and children? Today we're going to teach you how to make an animal sound game. So first make your own sound like this. Meow! Because it's my sound. Because I have the cat. And now just press this yellow thingy and spawn any animal you like before pressing any buttons. And now just add this thingy, which is the top thingy. So let's place it over here, and then you have to place another one of that thingy, and now do any animal movement you like. Well, now you should change the number. My favorite number is 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10. So now you have to click the background button, and now just click any background you like. But my most favorite background is this background, the spring background. So you type tap, but sometimes you can type tap the animal or tap them. But my most favorite is tap the animal. So click on the animal to see what it does. Meow! Just like that. And this is how you make an animal sound game.